for higher GC News, Mema Obibia Aquaba, Hadia, latest and hot news, and Aramede Bramo. And so when subscribe to channel, the Bomodian say will be subscribe. The other say will click a subscribe button. Now a belly notification when a video for be uploaded. With the first person I was Ebeka ASR video. A few we are now one like video and give us a thumbs up now fee. Share my offer for so now when you be here. Now who and somewhere also ever gonna be Muharam. Afenyo Markins and somewhere beto yep so yenti yes I report ya babetu ya yenti sazimi.
Rebecca Akufo Addo ya DBS Ghana mine na sua.
Huh?
Yes, and I would explain you understand. Rebecca Akufo Addo ya DBS Parliament. Emra, His Excellency the President of the Republic. Nana Akufo Addo Koko kind State of the Nation's address. Oyadiebi esiso babia sua. If you don't understand the principles of marriage and governance, we'll be blaming Rebecca Akufo Addo. But Rebecca Akufo Addo at that material moment behaved a wife before a first lady. If you say, oh yeah, yiri. Ebra abaya ba kono ye wo ne tikoma ne wuye no asanado ebe ware no before Asa Rebecca ebeja aware ma nanado be ware no because now you know he was the former husband was Nanado's best friend and either died or whatever and Damiadum aware no. But adia akono wodi Rebecca ye hono se Rebecca ma yeti asese de di kan me ye yire as me be first lady. You see oba bia ye ka wukuru ho asem ya wa bonten a wo support anasa obeye di no wo kwaso ya.
Only me ya dia you careful. I'm too more than pa.
Die jabeduma. Eti ade na Rebecca ye no. Memfa politics nko ho. Who wadwe ne say wako parliament. Minority leader Ato Forson ni ho. And the way na chi ama eye ni deputy ama Kofi Buanso
no
or a snake under grass
there be pillow
snake under pillow obewo pin
he is smart
and or the man say pew
baz
Captain Smart
ma me no kono no so kewu aden and the weather MPs need me friend me catch him say I say what has my husband done to you mikunu why wo den mikunu den na wo why wo uchi nanim a obedwam sa etiti yen hwe no family setting ewie as a political setting. Family setting Rebecca Akufo Addo oye nedwuma sa yire eti sa wo hwe ya bagbe ne frɛ no oye de sase o huja bagbe because what you want me kunu ya keka ya twimi kunu anim Ghana nyina the whole world and you want me to be happy and madam I salute you for what you did.
he is smart
I salute you for what you did. And a man am Ghana Hanumuntie, a man am Mutimine, Muamukunu Crawford in Ubemana Hong Kong, Munyai. Munyai, at a very particular moment, a Fiat Ago and JB Beckham and Wasempe, a Fiat Ago is a candidate for divorce.
Captain Smart.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Morning shows.
Can you explain?
Some uni JB come in me wasem. And yes, I say JB to me full be. Then no, when JB atenase, di me home concern. We a candidate for divorce. Meja how?
Tawonte.
den ya mete
we betne
Wo ha yeah.
mete nso a obekɔ fie
Nko.
eti se ye twi wo kunanim e wo bedwemu a ye twi wo kunanim no onye wadamfo.
Yeah.
Stay away from that person. Rebuke that person when you get the opportunity. Eti Rebecca Akufo Addo obehave to say yire because say ya o kofie or a former first lady. But she's still a married woman to Nanado. Enti Owusu menimi kunu na ekofie. Onim ni kunu enti de wuye. Ebe ha be me. Ada na oye mi kunu ni. So wo hwe no wie a na afi wa band the political leg. Say maami na no fa ho be. So obi anso mra hye bedwam. So and obi aso anso wo kunu so onye politician.
Captain Smart.
Na onye president a wehwie poto.
He is smart. He is unique.
Hey, president Otu Bobo ne ma no emomo ya ade hye ne yere dada anunyam eja ne yere ote ase. What I say?
Kasongo ye.
Kasongo and I, in fact, me respect her, me woman no kosro for what she did.
Captain Smart.
Because and that man aba no mushia be man no ho feche ni kuna. Because I mean wo hwe your friend say ama Kofi Boa. Now be hwe ni kuna. Obe kasa Kofi ama Boa ho feche na nado bebre. Eti di aye ne say akan and that my bia ko be hwe Kofi ama Boa ho. No one despise ni kunu. But I say whether you like it or not, that's my wonderful, ever-loving husband.
Oh, for me. Nana.
Won't be in him sa obedem. Tijaisa. Brante, we are kwala. We are kwala. Baby, Nana do edru. So what do some fear ni bia? Ka wo Kofi Ababwa.
Aso se Nana do twantro.
O say. I say one can National Cathedral.
But also Nana do twantro na bodyguard na here.
But sorry, JB, Mikojo. Sunday na wo ka anti Becky asem no. Say that time or yes say oyo yire no. Me ma remfin so say sebe speaker so you obi kunu. So you cannot also disrespect somebody's husband. E wo nipadom sa.
It's up to the wife.
No, so your bar said your bar penny or yere. Enti dibia so ani kunu ekura no. No matter what.
The wife out of bounds.
Whose wife? Whose wife?
Speaker you out of bounds.
No, and I make us na say my minister so also out of also on yet sabi on yet.
That's one case on do kujano.
Oh, that's it.
No, kujami kunu. So kujami kunu. No, so kujami kunu e wo nipa mu a. Why now ba said we will fear nyansa na koyinya next level. Also
hey, me yire ne una because do abonte na obi eye me de ope. Na wan ka hwe aye be fia me meka hwe.
That's it.
Hey.
Enti say aye speaker yire gina ho kon speaker say hey woman why?
He is smart.
You know, because na ageta umu kuna bumi me de mi bumi kuno. Enti so obetimi agina badwam a disrespect mi kuno say mi kuno say Brana say ho na be leave me alone. You sit there for people disrespect man. Oh we call can be sure. Ya here. And or the ne crop for call. No say. Mr. Achuno say. Him be carry on, me can away, right?
Can away, yeah.
Aha. In crying me yan committee, you know. Ain't he say who defend one na? A husband of some quite respect and my papa now the con check us oh. Now then I what's na ho my bia. Ama boa ne crop disrespect me kunusa. Then they can talk like one on one. Who never do me behuja me kunu abra me gina ne nchen. Me power chi.
Debbie, oh say, Rebecca Akufo Addo opportunity to the plenary. Obetimi anante alcohol. But ama Kofi Boa yere entimi nko.
Yes.
And Santa speaker is obetimi
that speaker is so dia no mo woni dia na ama Kofi Boa wife entimi your opportunity nko.
Okay, uni bibi. say video the full one or time na Addo over the sign no. I think na a vice Bawumia wanted to get closer
and then the wife was around.
Shout it to the man the man. Let's show the video. Oh, my auntie Becky, what's na hodi ma? Obia okay, mama you cool, okay. Now can last minutes now by yes sir. Ghana get by your walk social media sometime if the yana miraho. Attitude on the Bawumia see a woman about me person telling no. Na mama say he was trying to I don't know so person of papa punish the yemu so punish the chill. No, what is that?
One of the things SSC and say Rebecca Akufo Addo never dreamt of becoming a first lady.
No.
And I love women who appreciate level of kununum do makodu. They don't appreciate baby kununum and do makodu. They don't respect it. They don't love it. They don't appreciate it. Rebecca Akufo Addo, forever in her life and the history of Ononi Nebusiano, why the first lady of the Republic of Ghana. Smart. Because of who she got married to. Even though Sewa Bruni be say on Nanado Ntem. For a very long time. Amani catch say Nanado say Sheme Honore Sewa Bruni. Ope tattoo ba catch them nye tattoo ni bi ma. So pe tattoo ba. Because if you say away, car that they are trying. Who share Mercedes Benz and Nam Krum Ford F-150 2023 model. I actually who say yes, Wunyabi. But what one chine? Open record.
The bench on Nana Kwaminti.
Nana Kwaminti. And your church home. It's me, Rebecca Akufo Addo shebe home.
He is smart.
I'm a super Mercedes Benz.
He is smart.
Maybach.
Allah.
Men tro me ho. Ba wo pa tro dia. Eti e wo se Sewa Bruni be say ono ne ntem. Ene sa ba be e friend Teresa no.
Nti asa ba ko okay.
E be say wo ntem. But Rebecca still remembered say. Emfa ho ni de be ma na koyo. Emfa ho de ode ne se na no ne nsa ne nan ne bibi akoka. Still oyemikumu. Eti wo bedwemu de.
Chairman, Parliament is not a family.
No, that's way family life.
Chairman, Parliament are no more.
That's what I'm saying.
The setting is different.
We if you dey na.
Chairman,
na fe wa ba political.
Say na omo fear. Say na omo Flagstaff House ah. And na ko mo fear.
And so official.
A whole official residence of the president, in the office and in the BBR. Parliament and your family business. Your family business wo ho. It will go on one. Your husband can be exposed to ridicule.
Of course.
For that matter. Because one, President no call on wa family business wo ho. Wa conduct family business wo ho. Or national issue. And that is also part of it. The fact is okutwa ntro ho. Akokan ye o man no esitie sisia e wo ho no mo. Wakokan the wife asem ho. Wakokan the family asem ho. It's parliament no koko gina ye no. E ho no mo de no go area for the family.
Second leg. And that
Ose,
what kind of political part of it?
No, but in any case, Chairman, in any case,
a political family.
Because are you therefore saying, sir?
He was there in his capacity as the president.
No, so we
yes.
Nana Kwame.
Me dem dey here.
Disrespect. Say, Ada mu Nana Kwame.
Samira na say Sarah.
Na on disrespect to her. It says ye adwuma munti. On hwese Nana Kwame disrespect.
No, because say ye adwuma. E wo ho na say men conduct no hu ye a. Na etwase Nana Kwame tiame a. O ho kwa bi so tiam because this is a setting.
I use the word disrespect.
No disrespect. That is the different context.
No, men can't the course of parliament.
Abakofibua did not disrespect.
No, I'm not saying what happened at parliament.
That's the point. As more kind. Na a out of contest ana.
Oh no.
Yes. So that was
family
it has nothing to do with that.
Unless yeah, Mama Rebecca want to Ghana we seen us.
So
and some of course war parliament and some of Ghana.
When you test you, me say your family setting.
Chairman, Ghana for to ban farmer Rebecca Akufo Addo. Ghana for to ban darko Akufo Addo.
Shemelim carefully.
Chairman for food no.
Obi to Obama Bema. Yeah, this current setting.
Even that.
Bawumia tries to be
Even that. General, let's not forget say Mama no. Yen share no. Yen
but all of the first family.
I don't get it when
that is not a family business.
Parliament. Not parliament.
Speaker. Yeah, sign no.
Bosu.
No, why not?
Chairman, we dem send bisa o.
Why not?
At that point.
Anya bibia na be react. You can even call him.
Me sure say.
Me
sure say.
Now
live.
No.
After the office.
And
how it has ended.
We don't care.
That's how I feel.
Chairman,
do not react. Me sure.
At that point in time, no.
Yeah, to Abama ukunu. Near the Sika as a result of Abaya to my ukunu. What be benefit?
Okala toso. Yeah, fine.
I mean, yes, you have several videos. One who no come out, what a parties as ya who no come out. Yes, you can hear say, Jumano. That's all say. Who could not parliament?
Parliament
I mean, House of Records. Now, we now Juma why you're criticizing one. You're saying what? You're saying what?
All right.
But you, me say myself as a chairman. At that point, say nyamin pengu to my penny tishwe ya. Na kana yire be Kwaku Annan assistant protocol.
No.
Let me tell you this.
Kasa.
You're free. The family setting.
That be chairman yako family setting hono ma e parliament.
Me catch you say obesore yakọ.
Odo obesore yakọ but don't control. You would dead
control. Let's not underestimate the power of a woman. Agreed. Me the family setting. We are maybe about the political party. We say why the small Rebecca Akufo Addo.
Nikuru do the
very good. Opan Congo.
Yes. I mean. One question I can say here.
Say otchere.
Aye.
And can you even though yeah man quite
exactly the point. Even though the caveat is even though
yet what says here
and I can say I can come to alcohol.
Or maybe for more than 10 years. Say you could tell you the kono. Men am catch.
Or in Broswana.
What pa your phone line. So ba ware bema 10 years. Ekwa the be man ye wo dwam bia no oba ne tiase
chairman dey enye issue but the me person me chere say the bodyguard or tv so I can meet me alcohol because I'm meeting a person
you want me nko
aha no meet me alcohol ba ye ma me kwan sa sudan say ekoba say nyame mpagu say na do tehwe ya na ka dey meet me tumika alcohol but ye ma me kwan because satan no onya ni kudia onye ma me dia oyo ma ne dia
after ne
uwia
on fana dia
Akufo Addo
after ne
enti okoro
uni bibi un say ma me no we panimu and I say baby on bia social media and crofo your cameras ready first no ana o mun shada nim social media ron kon ba no say any ne ya kan ma bebre koso a in fact ne ma bebre akoso a ye hu ane social media nti ye hu enti the moment a Samira sad no ye hu ade papa oba bedwamu a utim so ye careful time bia or try say the sigusro or smile like or pose ni hu ye
and that's so because
I mean
yeah a second lady
Jamaica what you say enti wo comment bia wo ka bia no the mo o grandpa no gram ye kra video yet me capture enti me dem ko jo mesre na ma catch ma me lodi na say
Eyewura
nyame adom efiri wo chene ko wasan be so di bia ni bia
oh lodi na wo see tie Rebecca Akufo Addo with this bourgeoisie attitude. She's the bourgeoisie type. Oh yeah, ne papa the speaker crowder.
Papa the speaker.
Renoff, no meba. Or what this bourgeoisie attitude.
Yes, Kaniba.
And yes, she can need per se, but she's grown through the corridors of power from childhood.
But
No, hold on.
Chairman.
Debbie, Anna, on your modern day woman. She's coming from the days of your grandmother's age.
And that is where she should know better.
JB Gyamfi. From that angle of understanding, no, she still think and believe. Say, we a penny, we a penny. That's where she's coming from.
Hey.
No. Mama Chawade. Michelle Obama did something. Alabama.
I know in America.
America.
Okay.
A Hokrana, you say, a land of opportunity, anything can happen. I mean, just leave it. No. She never allowed that.
No, because there are rules.
No.
The system is working.
So, maybe there, on the family side, Rebecca, excellent job.
No, but I want your family business.
Tell me.
What do you mean keep it mute?
Now,
because I want your family. We are not conducting the family business.
Irrespective of the location.
I'm making sure to say.
At the end of course of parliament. At the end of course of parliament.
It's what the political side now. What political side now? Toboase. One more Facebook. Where was my one? Say Onyaba political side now. Rebecca Akufo Addo must understand. Say she's coming from a political home. When the father
and she was there because of a political
hold on
appointment.
The father was once
when attack.
The father was once a speaker.
And then they said that doesn't matter.
Number two, the husband was once a member of parliament. Okay. Number three, the husband was once a minister. Minister.
President now, no. MP no.
Aye. Sir. Oh, why natural? 30 years plus.
Oh, sir.
80. As a sort, in that house. So we show family instinct, kakra. Swallow it and allow that political space to thrive.
Chairman.
Etika or nenimuna yeno time na kofi amabo akasa.
Nenimuna de efobia hu.
Aka omuna
ni so mu say na du me
ono tama attack Atamils.
Ye to the front.
Anoki kan se mebre
ku wan tia se. Omuna wie ye no. Nikunu kasa wie ye no. Osi from no. As a senka Rebecca tia say she's coming from a political home. And in politics, you don't add romance. Nanka.
Hono ye do romantic ana.
Oni speaker sere.
Oh.
Echiano. Odu. Eye honorable Kofi Amabo Anjeno. Ama Kofi Bu Anjeno. Hey, na de that was sere no wachiano.
Chairman Pacho.
So that the world would understand that
Chairman Pacho.
at that material moment, she's a wife.
Chairman.
And the wife of a politician.
Mr.
But on Mercy up on the political space.
Chairman, let's go back to the family. Let's go back to the family space. At the time, not all can say one or say obey inherited do so. Now all free office with the light on. That time,
Factually,
it was wrong.
Inaccurate because at the time,
the country is not broke.
You see,
the country is
wrong.
The
last owner. You see,
and also, what do you expect Lordina Mahama to also react to that?
Debbie.
And you see, Captain. One thing, Nana Akufo Addo.
Yes, the political angle no more.
Chema yendi ka family no yes
family
to family
we can do
many
both politics and family.
Say
in what capacity?
Presenters and men man ekushia.
Yes, okay.
Na otimbi.
In your capacity as a presenter.
Na obi disrespect me. I expect her
To
react just a little.
Wow.
Facial expression, body language.
And you cry,
but not to approach the person.
Are you okay?
That's why I'm saying that. But as soon as we get to the space where it is purely and nothing but the office and the corridors of the male presenters, I expect her to comport herself.
That's it.
What am I trying to say? That's why I'm saying that, yes, I support her as a wife. But about the political space, I don't agree with
that. But that time, your wife do not matter.
No, it matters.
How?
What we say?
Because that place is not a family business.
Then the speaker should not have introduced.
No, the speaker only acknowledged the presence of the first lady, the second lady, and every remarkers are the wife.
As the spouse.
Yes.
You see,
and the spouse of the Chief Justice.
What's your video now? Speaker approach to her no. By describing it, it means that omu war.
So as a personal,
because
like they are fine.
Speaker
I think
that's not person. Good. I know. Oh yeah, you say.
So you don't react that way.
That is the game.
And no, it's wrong.
Because ukunu na ya kasa anymore.
1,000% wrong.
She a speaker. Or Sunday.
Wrong. And why wrong?
Yeah, wrong.
Sir, mami no. Yes, Adi and Ujum to speak. That is the political part. You guys are not getting the discussion.
Family part, and the family part, my king koho.
But you see,
family part, they can koho.
My king koho.
If you say no Ako program, na say program no ABR.
Me want to see me huja obi. Our bedroom. Like our memo dim light. Our menu.
That time no be disrespectful.
I'll know the person.
You will have a body language that will indicate say you are not happy about what the person is doing. Very good.
Chairman, but you should also look at the settings.
As soon as we get to the political setting, as I said, my minute and one say, when we are in Ejuma, baby, a ukunu wano in your bedroom. Baby, a ukunu wano and your fee. Baby, a ukunu wano and yet even Jubilee House.
Exactly the point.
So the political setting, that's why I told you right from the beginning, she got it wrong.
Yes. So as the family setting, family now, our family business for it's not a setting for family business
in this context.
Where she was right was when she had this facial expression.
That was okay. That was enough.
Facial any problem. That
was enough.
And only political, it is wrong.
No, but did you also have any reason to also the facial expression say also
no. You are getting the whole thing differently.
No.
JB.
Because
no woman on earth, irrespective of the location, will sit and watch people disrespect the husband.
No. See, the point is that. But that place it wasn't meant for family business.
When you say,
number. After Bibia betting a speaker, Ebia send oh, when you say, no, what
a man who is differently.
The chairman it is a Kobasa speaker. They react here.
Family, I'm okay. But plenary.
But look at the sense.
I would disagree.
No, but you see, even the air can cry. Ebia reaction a free speaker wife.
I love the Facebook comment.
But this time it is out of parliament.
That's a number for parliament.
You want to
that's a for parliament.
When you accept to assume certain positions, there's no need to react to that way.
Parliament.
No more inside.
Because it wasn't part of the records of parliament.
No, at that point, not part of the records. Because
yes, so now
it's not almost signing to indicate some after everything.
Almost sign, but that disrespect no so you the speaker no.
Dear Yama Ghana for
No. That wasn't going to be recorded. That one there, any part of the records. I know there. Say Nana Addo Akufo at the point was signing.
Yeah,
ne vice is signing. So 2 parties, the first lady and the second lady. Omuni any locals. Ewo.
So politically she was wrong.
Oh yes.
They could have even decided not to go. And I can't say she.
What's it?
It will not add up, it will not.
Oh, I
can't say
That's what we said right from the beginning. Say
knowing your husband's performance. Knowing your husband's performance.
But
I don't know, be a surprise, eh?
You're waiting for when a reporter Abeto Yepuno so Mikau says so we now subscribe to channel area Bomodia say over subscribe and say hadia latest and hot news enkwa Aremeyaw bro. I feel we are now like video and give us a thumbs up nafi shema or ofori so na when you be here now who and somewhere koso ewo Ghana memoir also betimi otchere wadwen afaye some way nyina ho ewo comment box ni mu obeti minkabio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.